creating awesome! Step 1. Draw 5 squares. Now, some can be more rectangular than others. Just do what feels right. Step 2. Fill the boxes with geometric shapes. We are going to draw an emerald, ruby, topaz, citrine and amethyst. The ruby and the diamond have both the same shape, so it depends on how you color it. But at least make one triangle, and the others can be like 5, 6, 7 pointed shapes. Step 3. Draw secondary geometric shapes inside. This is just repeating the bigger shape on the outside, but now smaller on the inside. For the diamond, draw a straight line. Step 4. Now connect all the points from the inside to the points on the outside. For the diamond, you draw a W and then connect the 2 points of the W to the bottom. Step 5. Draw some faces. Step 6. Ink the lines. After you're done inking them, have some fun with colors. So don't use one shade of blue or one shade of green or one shade of yellow. Each part can be a little bit lighter or a little bit darker. This is going to make the gems really pop. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ta-da! All done! You did it! You made super cute gem friends. Now go gemify, sparkle up every drawing you already made, and well, see you next time. Bye bye!